Hello everyone, myself Boishaki. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will solve problem on work, energy and power section B of ICSE class 10 concise physics exercise, on which you must have some confusion on solving. In my previous video, I have already discussed the conceptual questions of section A, which is important for board exam. Now I will discuss question 4 on exercise 2B, on which you guys mostly have some problem. So question is, a body of mass 5 kg falls from a height of 10 meter to 4 meter. Then calculate the loss in potential energy and total energy possessed by the body at any point. Okay? So this is the question. There is a body whose mass is 5 kg. And it falls from how much height? 10 meter. So let it fall. The distance is 10 meter. After falling, it reaches to a height of 4 meter. The question is, how much loss of potential energy occurs? So guys, you all know formula for potential energy. It is m into g into h. So initial potential energy is 5 into g into 10 and final potential energy is 5 into g into 4. Because height was initially 10 meter and now 4 meter. They ask how much loss occurs. So loss in potential energy equals to 5 into g into 10 minus 5 into g into 4 equals to 5 into g into 10 minus 4. That is equals to 30g. So as g equals to 10 meter per second square, so it will be equals to 30 into 10 equals to 300 joule. So loss in potential energy equals to 300 joule. So in short, there is a formula for loss in potential energy. Loss in potential energy equals to m into g into h2 minus h1. So if they ask to calculate change in potential energy, loss in potential energy or gain in potential energy, then we may use this formula. The second part is much more important, that calculate the total energy possessed by body at any point. Okay, then initial energy of body equals to 5 into g into 10 equals to 500 joule and final energy of body equals to 5 into g into 4 equals to 200 joule. But the question is total energy possessed by body at any point. Initially, speed of the body is 0. So velocity equals to 0 and kinetic energy equals to 0 because the body is in rest. When the body starts to fall, then its speed increases and So kinetic energy will also increase. So at 4 meter height, there are potential energy and kinetic energy both. So here are potential energy plus kinetic energy. So the loss in potential energy converts into kinetic energy. At first, potential energy was 500 joule, and finally after loss it becomes 200 joule. So kinetic energy equals to 300 joule. Here kinetic energy equals to 500 minus 200 equals to 300 joule. So at 4 meter height, total energy equals to, here total energy equals to 300 plus 200 equals to 500 joule. And at 10 meter height, here potential energy will convert it into kinetic energy. Sorry, at 10 meter height there is no kinetic energy, only there is potential energy. So here total energy equals to, kinetic energy is 0. Therefore 0 plus 500 equals to 500 joule. So at any point, that is at 10 meter height and at 4 meter height, or in between them, there is the total energy is conserved, that is 500 joule, because in between point potential energy will decrease and the decreased potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy. This is conservation of mechanical energy. This is conservation of mechanical energy, right? So this topic is very, very important. You guys now surely understand the topic, right? Thanks for watching. In next video, I will come with another problem. Please wait. Will come soon.